I'm pressing charges to the fullest. Y'all might well do what you got to do.
Where did this occur at? Right here?
Yeah.
14 is the father and possession of a child.
You're currently pregnant now with his child as well? Okay. How far along are you?
5 months.
Your background, your criminal history. I could.
In 2022, Florida officers responded to a chaotic scene where multiple cars were damaged and people were injured. A 911 call reported that a pregnant woman attempted to run over the father of her children and his family members with her vehicle. She even tried to drive her car into their family home, all because he wanted to break up with her.
The baby mama thought he was in the car with us, which he was running through the pathway from her, and he jumped in the car.
Is anybody named medical?
That was me. Yes, me and my children.
Okay.
And the other one, because she was in the car.
Can you advise FD?
She ran into us 2 times, and she chasing us with her car. She gone. I'm pressing charges to the fullest. Y'all might well do what you got to do.
Where did this occur at? Right here?
Yeah.
Right
That's my car, baby.
Right here.
She ran into me. All the people was out the door. They had their phones. We running out here for our dear fucking life. My daughter, she trying to get out the car, and she done picked my other daughter in the car.
Yeah, the house is on ours, but the roadways aren't. So I'm trying to figure out what's going on.
I've been telling her to leave my house, leave my house, leave my house. She did not want to leave. She busts his windshield.
My children's
house windshield.
need to be checked out. I'm going to get checked out afterwards. We're doing what we need to do with this vehicle.
So this is your vehicle?
Well, you might well say yeah. Me and my other behalf. You see how my doors is? This is how she picked us. This is how we trying to get out.
Okay.
Why the hell my doors?
Yeah, can I talk with you, ma'am? Just separate so I can speak to
Try
everybody
let me.
separately?
Try just on the rolling part, baby.
Hey, tell Troy just come back here.
Yeah, you can come back. So
I'm about to have a whole panic attack.
take a deep breath.
Take
Take a deep breath. Take a deep breath. And you take a deep breath, hold it as long as you can, and then slowly exhale.
You don't understand.
I get you.
I got somebody helping me right now.
I got you. If you want me to be able to help you, listen. If you want me to help you, I gotta know what's going on. You gotta breathe first, and then we'll
How
start.
could I when I'm trying to think about my damn baby? My baby sitting
I
there
get that.
fucking
You
hot
have
to
to
the top of her lungs.
You have to please say.
Sasha.
Who?
She's in a black moth.
Who's she?
It's her daughter-in-law. She was arguing with her son. We tried to tell her to leave. She's pregnant. And all that, but we told her to stop. Like, you know what I'm saying? Just stop, just leave. He say, I'm finna just run. He running away from her. We was coming to come pick him up. Okay. We bent this corner right here or whatnot. She took the car and she seen us coming. She turned around.
Who's she? She's coming this way?
Yeah, we was behind her because she was looking for him.
So
I already
was going
spotted
this
him.
way.
We coming this way. She went that way. She came back around.
Okay.
So now she see him coming to get in the car. Next thing I know, he getting in the car. She
Talking
turned
about
around.
The boyfriend?
Yeah.
Okay.
He turned around. She turned around. I said around, which in the black market. She came. I said, my baby in the car. I don't know what y'all got going on. Da, 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 da. She said, okay. She said, I'm good. Head on with us. She turned around. Those people was out the door. These people out the door.
You were in the car while you were talking to her?
Like he trying to run. He getting in the car with us. We get ready to pull off. She heading on with us. Hit the gas. There go her parts. There go the part. I didn't even have no time to even put the car back in gear to get ready to just pull on. Yeah, she fighting with him with some things off.
When you say him, who's him?
He ran to the house. That's what he done barricaded himself in the house, getting away from her. All the deal, bro.
Is that who you guys saying?
She done came back. She done went and bust the windows too. I don't know. She picked the baby in the car. We out running. I had to go back after she hit the car the second time. We forgot the damn baby. We couldn't move fast enough.
Who else was in the car?
She was in the car.
I was in there.
In there?
This the mom.
That's my son.
Her son. That's her daughter.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then she turned around. When she turned back around, to actually after she done hit us for the damn second time, she pinned it.
She hit him against the fence.
What do you mean second time?
She was doing U-turns out here.
Yes.
So she hit it, rammed it, backed up,
Yes.
and then it came and
Listen
did
to
it.
me. Yes.
Yes.
They
And then
go
after-
pieces, and she pinned him. She had to hurt him. He took out. He
was
pinned.
up against the fence and
She pinned him, and she got out and she was hitting on him.
Yes.
She got out and started.
And as we was trying to go back for her ass, she hauled ass. She pinned him against that fence because he was pinned
With the vehicle?
with the car.
Okay, and that was the black Mazda.
Yeah, and she pregnant, so that's the only reason why I didn't touch her.
So he got pinned up against this fence here.
She turned around. He was running that
That's
way.
gonna
He
be-
was running,
that'll be
trying to get away from the car. Look for where she
now
went and she done went there and bust the windows on the car. Just look for a car that with bust windows.
Yeah, they get first and last name. That's local.
Her daddy worked for the city. Sean. That's her daddy.
She live over there in Goldsboro?
No, they used to stay over there. I don't know where they moved.
16th and Mulberry area?
I don't know. Nigga, stop talking. They doing your blood pressure.
Look how the fucking doze is, bro.
You guys say you don't know where she lives right now?
Yeah.
Okay.
I would know her mama stayed in her daddy, he was staying yeah, he was staying over there. But I don't know if he still stay over that way or not.
Her son was telling her to leave from in front of their house. She wouldn't leave. So
She chased them.
he chased them.
No, she chased them. Cause they put him in the car for him to leave. Cause she wanted to leave
him alone.
So she chased them around
here.
and just.
Did you see everything that occurred? No.
We were on the over there at the house because
Birthday.
Not want to leave?
Yeah,
she
and he said, "Just take me."
And she tried to tag him and everything.
Yeah,
That's what it
How
started.
did she try attacking him?
she got out her car, was trying to fight him, but we pushing him back.
We were telling her,
Don't even engage with her no more.
right. Cause I said, you know you gonna
Go to jail because she gonna say
you hit
her.
and
When
all
she
that.
was trying to attack him, what was she trying to do? Was she swinging?
swinging at him.
Swinging at him. Okay.
And so we put him in this car. We told them to go. She followed them.
So this car actually left from that.
Yeah, left.
Okay.
Yeah, came. So to see if she would leave, because we were still there, we could have like said, "Oh, she left," but she followed them all the way around here, and we just get a call to come around here because she hit the car, and the kids were in
What is
panic.
she even acting so crazy for to begin with?
Cause he don't want.
He don't want to be with her.
Is she pregnant with his child?
Yes.
Yeah.
How long were they in a relationship?
I want to say about 5 years. Yeah, it's been a while. Since high school.
And so she's currently pregnant with his child. Do they have any kids currently?
And then she got a baby
in the car with no car seat.
That's his child.
That's his child
She
too.
got a baby.
And the door, where's she at? Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I guess she came. What it is.
It sounds like, yeah,
You see the damage from the paint transfer.
I feel like after that, she came back out this way.
Feet off?
More than likely came through this way. And dude, to be honest with you, like, I know it's a crash, but this was an intentional. Like,
No, it's not. It's not even.
Yeah.
It's not even a TA.
yeah,
it's
not a TA.
It's all intentional. So this gets thrown in the offense.
aggravated battery.
Hell yeah, but in multiple counts. They're saying that she had a child. We gotta verify that aspect. She said she had a child in the car when she did all this.
Yeah.
It's just the slurry charge. I'm surprised this door didn't get.
It looks like somebody was attempting to get out. That's how the door got bent. Whoever was trying.
They say he opened it.
She pinned him up against it. She pinned him up against the fence in the car. Yeah, with the car.
With the car. That bitch crazy.
That's what it sounds like, man. I ain't gonna lie. That's what it sounds like. And she's pregnant. That's what I'm just like, man, you're endangering your own child.
Yeah, she don't give a damn.
I could have trying to take what my damn baby with my baby.
The deputy en route reference to a signal 4 to their fence, please.
Sarah's wearing a dark blue shirt, black pants outside.
But we know the girl.
Alright, so because your house is in the county jurisdiction, like the city of Sanford has jurisdiction over the roadway, but because the damage is to your residential property, the sheriff's office is coming out here to do the report for your
Will we be able to get that information from the
Yes.
car that hit?
Yes, we're going to have to get the information from this incident because this one, we're going to have to handle this part of it. And then all of that information is going to be given to the sheriff's office so they can do the part for you.
Yeah, so will we be getting the information from the car that hit the home? and this car too?
Yeah, well, everything.
Not at all.
So they live here.
No, they don't.
No. I'm saying they live here. The guy that was involved in this tried to run, and the female that was hitting the car pinned him up against this fence with her car, and this is their fence.
So they're gonna have a TA
with Agasol or
I guess she lives over there from what they're saying, so I guess he ran from that way through here. I'm assuming.
It sounds like the male was attempting to get away
From her.
female. She comes around the corner. Male's trying to get in this car. She rams the car.
Yeah, I came over here.
Turns around, rams it again. He gets out of the car, tries to take off running. She rams into him into the fence.
We didn't know what side to get out on.
I don't think he probably want nothing to do with it. He just say he glad he alive. But he gotta get checked because he's scared. Yeah, he's scared for his little life. Because he always going to jail for her.
That other phone call we just received, are they saying that's where the Singapore occurred as well?
I talked to your granddad over there. So you're not in any trouble. I just want you to know that up front. You ain't in any trouble or anything at all.
Yeah.
You're okay physically, right? Okay. All right. Who's got your keys? They might still be over there. There's an officer over there getting all the information over there. You're not in any trouble. Do you want to provide us a statement of what happened and everything? Okay. So you don't want to write a statement, don't want to do anything about the car or anything?
Everything all right.
Okay. Do you have the kids or you got them right now? Okay. Just 43, the male half doesn't want her.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that way you can at least make look at numbers on it.
Yeah.
13, my close face.
My keys in my pocket.
And I'm gonna go into your home pocket.
Number 8011. Go ahead. Are you still
the
available?
car's secured, and you wanted to leave him with the keys? Does he want me to keep the keys? I mean,
You can leave him with the keys.
You want him to have the keys?
Yeah, he's not really in it. You can leave him with the keys.
Okay. Yeah. And you're good with him having them, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me make sure he's okay with accepting them first, and then.
Yeah.
Doing 86 with a female, 250, 24730. 14496. Just right there. 2414 is the father and possession of the child. Okay. Okay, thank you.
What did they charge her with?
She's going to be charged with aggravated battery and child endangerment.
She needs it. She needs
This
it.
was a situation she could have
Oh yes, she shouldn't even come over here.
and she put herself in a situation.
Yep. Aggravated battery, you say?
Yes, ma'am.
So let her dad know because he'll probably take the baby.
The suspect was charged with aggravated battery, child endangerment, and more. She only served 1 day in the local jail and ordered to pay a $300 fine, and the case was closed. In the next clip, she would attempt to manipulate the entire situation and refuse to take responsibility for her actions.
So after we walk through this door right here, make a left. So again, because I want to talk to you, I have to provide this to you. It's your Miranda warning.
So you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can or will be used against you in the court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him or her present with you while you're being questioned. If you can't afford to hire a lawyer, one will be appointed to represent you before any question if you wish. You can decide at any time to exercise these rights and not answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand each of those rights? What happened? What, like, from the beginning to, like, what happened today? Take a moment. Take a moment.
I was at the house and
What house?
209 and I was speaking with my son's father at first, and then
Okay.
and then we were just conversating, like not arguing or anything, and his I guess a friend of the family got in it because she thought I was talking to her because I said what. And she was like, who are you talking to? And I was like, I'm not talking to you. And then we exchanged words, and then I pulled off, and she followed me, and then that's when, like, the cars bumped.
Okay. Where do the cars bump at?
I don't know. It was, like, right around the corner from the house.
Okay. Where I found their car at was Burroughs. That sound about right?
I don't know
Maybe.
what street,
You
but
don't know street name? Okay. When you say bump, like, what happened?
like, she had stopped, and then my car bumped into her car, and then, but they were out the car, so I don't know why I'm getting charged with assault.
Okay. And that was it? It just bumped one time? That was nothing else? Okay. Where was during this entire incident?
He was at the house.
The house the entire time? Okay. You're currently pregnant now with his child as well? Okay. How far along are you?
5 months.
5 months. Okay. So you're saying that the car's only hit once. There's pretty decent damage to that front end of that vehicle. Were you just coming back towards their vehicle and just...
Yeah, I had turned around to leave, and then I bumped their car.
Okay. There was damage on the passenger side as well, where the door was, like, you know how the door normally closes? It was bent backwards.
Yeah, I only hit the car once.
Okay. Did you ever hit the vehicle?
No.
Nothing whatsoever. Okay. There's damage to a fence over there, bent in.
We were near a fence.
Okay. They're saying was like running from the house back over there, where you're saying that you guys bumped.
Oh, I'm not sure.
You're not sure?
No.
Okay. Do you guys have children in common?
One.
We have one child in common. Where was the child at during this incident?
He was at my friend's house,
Yeah.
and I went to go pick him up after it happened to drop him off at the car because I knew I was going to get in trouble.
Why do you know you're going to get in trouble?
Because I damaged her car.
Okay. So, like, after you said you bumped your car, like, did you guys stop? Did you just keep going?
I had stopped, but then, like I said, they were out the car, so I didn't know what they were going to do to me. So I kept going, and I drove back to 209 because I knew police were looking. My mom texted me that the police were looking for me, so I drove back there.
Okay. Did you ever think about calling law enforcement about what happened?
I know they had called, so that's why I just was meeting.
Okay. Do you think maybe you should call it like, hey, this is what's going on. This is where I'm at. Can I have an officer?
Well, I was just I was just going there to meet the officer, so I didn't think I had to call again.
Okay. So about 4 different people put pen to paper, provided a sworn written statement. Maybe one thing people just want to run their mouth, but when you put pen to paper, I get that. Why are they saying that you hit on with your car? Okay. There's more going on here than what you're telling me, and I can only work within the parameters of what I have. Because they're also saying that your little baby boy that you guys have in common with you was in the backseat of the car.
No, he wasn't.
None whatsoever.
No, but we'll see in that family. They already know me and have issues, so they know saying that will get me in trouble. Like, they have family members that call DCF on each other when they're mad. Like, that's just how their family is.
But from what you're saying, like, you only bumped that car. The passenger side rear door is bent backwards. Back, like, not the normal way a door closes. That's not, that just doesn't happen for...
Well, I mean, I hit the car. I didn't.
Well, you say you bumped the front, but, like, this is on the passenger opposite side of where the roadway is. You see what I'm getting at? Like, this is, doesn't, and I ain't, like, coming at you, like, sideways. It just doesn't make sense. You came back. It's clear as day and struck that vehicle. There's damage consistent with the back passenger wheel that has black paint transfer. Paint transfer is when another car hits another car, the vehicle's paint that hit it scrapes it off onto that vehicle. Well, their wheels are like silver, like hubcaps. There's black paint on it. Like, I'm trying to give you, like, tell me what happened.
Yeah,
like,
no, I'm not playing victim. I know I hit the car. Like, I'm not saying I didn't. I hit the car.
But why would you even hit the car?
Because it was just based off my emotions. She was making me angry. Like, why are you following me?
Okay. It wasn't because Raquan, like, they were getting in the way between you and...
No.
Because they were saying trying to get away from you and jumped in their car. Mom, I know you're saying family don't like you. Even mom's like, yeah, my son jumped in the car to get away from her.
No. That's not what happened.
Then what happened? Like, clarify what occurred, because even by... I ain't saying you're lying, but when you leave things out, like, that are detrimental, like, you hit the car again. Like, that's something I need to know. And the fact that it gets left out, it raises suspicions on, like, your validity of... You see what I'm saying? Like, that's kind of causing concern on my part.
I mean, I just don't get why they're trying to make it seem like I tried to hit somebody. I didn't hit nobody. Everybody was out of the car. Like, I know I'm in the wrong for hitting her car, of course, because I should never hit it.
Okay.
But it's just like I wasn't trying to hurt nobody. I didn't hit nobody that was in the car. Nobody was in the car.
Okay. Because they're saying you smashed the hell out of that car.
That car was like that when I pulled up this morning.
Okay. Again, I know you're saying they don't like you, but I don't know whose family, like...
They're family friends.
I get that. They're saying you tried to fight them at the house, too.
No, I did not.
And then they had to keep back.
No. Me and having a conversation, once I said what to
yeah.
The family friend was like, who are you talking to?
Who's the family friend, do you know?
Jerica.
Jerica, okay.
And she was like, who are you talking to? I was like, I'm not talking to you. And then I said, she was like, oh, because I'm not fine. I'll whoop your A, da-da-da, like saying stuff like that. And I was like, I'm not even talking to you. That's when the mom had got in there and she was like, but I was in the car the whole time. And the mom had got in and she was like, Jerica, just go in the car, because Jerica was outside the car. And she was just arguing and I was arguing back and forth. I told me to roll up the window.
Okay. What friend had your child?
My cousin Trinity.
Trinity? You got Trinity's phone number?
Yeah.
You already know. What's the phone number?
407 5474.
Okay. So when I called Trinity, she just said she had your child there, and that's it. The entire time. And that he was on the backseat of your vehicle whatsoever.
Yeah.
Okay. What happens if she tells me, no, I didn't have the kid? Okay. Hypothetically.
I don't know, but.
Okay.
I don't know.
Because they're saying the child was in the backseat of the car. Okay. All right. We'll see. You got some serious charges.
What are my charges?
You have about 4 counts of aggravated battery with a deadly weapon. I'm gonna verify the information, but they put pen to paper too as well, saying that child was in the backseat of the car. It could have reckless endangerment of a juvenile or a minor. That's.
Is this all felonies? Like, will I be spending time?
Everything's a felony. I don't think there's one misdemeanor.
They just want to do this to ruin me. Like, they just want to do this to get back at me.
Back at you for what? Like what?
Because me and that family friend had got into it a while back when they was talking about my son when he was first born.
Okay.
And then they pulled up, and then we fought, and then it was just that. So they've had an issue with me.
Okay.
So I haven't really spoken to them since then. I don't speak to them at all. Whenever I'm over there, they're never over there. I don't see them. It's just like their people are nasty. Like, they're nasty people.
Okay.
Yeah, it was a property manager. His name is Stan Smith.
So how much time am I gonna get?
We're not even close to that yet. So I'm gonna make a phone call. You said your cousin's name is Trinity. Speak to her. If she answers, I'll verify some things. You could have more charges. You could have less charges. It really depends. There's a deputy out there too as well who might speak to you, but the fence that was damaged during this whole.
I mean, I could pay for everything.
Well, yeah,
it's like
I get
they're
that.
trying to make it seem like I'm getting all these charges.
I'm not playing around, but there are some very serious charges. Like I said, misdemeanors are for jail, like here. Felonies are prison. But
so do you think I'm going to prison?
I can't say yes or no. This is like so early on, and I don't know your background, your criminal history. So I don't know what the attorneys from the state are going to prosecute, what they're not going to prosecute. There's a lot up in the air. I could do all this. We could be going through this entire incident, and the state attorney would be like, "Nah, I'm not pressing charges at all, or pick up any of the charges." To clarify, I apologize. I got four individuals. I know you say they don't like you, and they got beef, but it's 4 people saying your child was in the backseat of their car, and in good faith. Again, I know, like, I'm gonna keep reiterating this. You saying they got beef with you? It's 4 people saying child was in the car, screaming, yelling, and hollering, and it's just you saying no. She's with my cousin, who, as of right now, is just not answering the phone.
I get what you're saying.
In good faith, I can't just steer clear or walk away from that.
You're not going to prison for that.
No, well, listen, you're really jumping the gun, like, really far.
This is not fair.
There's a lot to go on here. There's a lot to go forth from here. You won't have a bond until first appearance, which is probably be tomorrow afternoon. Once you go to first appearance, they'll give you a bond. Again, if you've never been in trouble, you might get RR'd, but these are some serious charges facing as well.
That's what I'm saying.
But there's a lot that's gonna happen.